welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my everyday makeup and everyday hair routine. It's pretty much a get ready with me, just without any special occasion that I'm getting ready for, just my everyday get ready with me. So I'm not going to ramble on in this intro. We're just going to get right into it. I just washed my face, so my face is nice and clean. Don't mind this. I literally don't know why it won't go away. It's like not a pimple, and I messed with it too much to where it's kind of a scab now, so just ignore that. But I'm gonna get right on in to a little bit of skincare, and then we're gonna do my hair, and then we're gonna do my makeup. So let's just get on into it. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer. I'm going to pin my hair back, which I have to go get clips really quickly. And I'm just gonna start off with a moisturizer all over my face, just a little light moisturizer. But moisturizer is so important before doing your makeup. And then I go right in with the Vanity Planet Essia, which is today's sponsor. So thank you so much, Vanity Planet, for sponsoring today's video. This tool is literally insane. It's like a facial in this little wand. So we're just going to get right into using it. And I'm going to tell you guys its features and how to use it and why I love it so much. And it seriously changed the game for my skincare. So we're just going to get right into it. So really quickly, I want to tell you about this. This is the Flawless Skin Wand. And you can exfoliate, moisturize, and lift your skin with this one tool, which is so cool. With the exfoliating setting, which you can use once a week, it easily removes blackheads and dead skin. The moisturize setting, which you can use every single day, helps penetrate moisturizers and serums 3 to 5 millimeters deeper into your skin, which is so cool. And then lastly, the lift mode, which you can use once a week, also firms and tightens your skin, which is also so cool, and the results last for 2 to 3 days before you have to do it again. So that's like just really cool to firm your skin and really have that flawless glow. So I'm just gonna go right on in. My hands are slippery from the moisturizer, and exfoliate. So it's super easy. You just put it on and then hold until the setting you want, and then it has a little vibration to it. And now I'm going to go right in with the moisturize feature, which is the second click. So now I'm on moisturizer. Lastly, the lip feature, which I'm just going to click again, and it goes right onto that. Again, button towards you, and you just want to go in like up motions. Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back. So yeah, this thing really changes the game. For my skincare, it really preps my skin so well before makeup. It's super convenient for travel, just this. And it has wireless charging, so you can pretty much bring it everywhere you go. I love it. You guys should definitely check it out. It will change the game for you. And with my code, Olivia Wand, you guys can get 55% off. So it'll come out to be $72 at checkout with my code, Olivia Wand. Or 4 interest-free installments of $18 by Afterpay. So definitely check it out. I have the link in the description to go get yours now for 55% off using my code, Olivia Wand. So now I'm going to get into my hair. Just let my skin settle before makeup, and I'm going to curl my hair. This is typically what I do. I don't know why. You guys, I literally just took a video of Oakley because I went out there because I heard him. You might have heard it in the last clip, but he's making noise, so I go out there and he's in this basket. I'll insert the video like here. And then I was like, what are you doing in the video? And he heard me, and he literally just leaped up here. He just jumped up on me. Hello, you stealing the show? Are you stealing the show? I love you. This thing's freaking awesome. It's humongous. I just got it. It's like freaking cool. I don't know. I have to plug it in. Duh. Let me show you guys what I do though with my hair. Like typically every day, unless my hair is freshly clean, which it's not currently fresh and clean. So I take it out of this bun I got it in, and I brush through it. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is a little bit greasy. It's not too bad, but just a little bit. So I grab, hold on, it's over here. I grab some dry shampoo, and then I just go through my roots with it, like so. And you can definitely see it, but I let it sit there until I'm about to curl my hair, just so that it can do its job. Because apparently you're not supposed to just rub your dry shampoo in right away, which I did not know that. I now know that, but I just let it sit there and I look like a grandma. And I wait for it to settle. Right when my curling iron's nice and hot, then I'll rub it in and then I curl my hair. Pretty simple, but this really friggin' helps the oiliness in it. Am I picking my nose on camera? Low-key, a little bit. Okay, I'll see you guys when my curling iron's heated up. Okay, my curling iron is heated up now, so still got that dry shampoo. And I just start rubbing it on in like so. So now I'm just gonna brush my hair out again before I start curling it. And I'm not gonna really go in depth on me curling my hair because I actually have a whole tutorial on my channel that you guys should go watch if you're interested on how I curl my hair. I like loose waves, so yeah, here I'll show you one curl and then you guys can go watch the tutorial if you want. I'll link it below if you're like, wait a minute, I need a full-on in-depth tutorial of that. So, oh my gosh, please. Ruining the made bed. Okay, done. And I pull my ends straight. So, that's what I do all over my head, away from my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that off camera. Again, I have a tutorial. I'll link it below for you guys to go watch if you wanna know how I curl my hair exactly. But yeah, next clip, I'll have curled hair. Okay. Bradley got home and brought Chick-fil-A, but I finished curling my hair and I just hairspray it. Apparently if you spray up though, you keep the volume. I don't know if that's true. I do it though. And now I'm just gonna leave them like this while I do my makeup so that they just fully cool down and all that fun stuff. So clipping my hair back again though. I'm gonna zoom you guys on in a little bit. And we're just gonna get right into my makeup. It's really simple. We're just gonna get right into it. My favorite concealer is the NARS Creamy Concealer, but I feel like the lighting's like kind of weird. Anyways, I don't know what just happened to my camera, but I like the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I just go in on my blemishes and just like marks. Like I have like veins and some acne scars and all that fun stuff. So I just cover up blemishes or any like marks and imperfections I don't want to see. Look like I'm dying because I don't have any concealer under my eyes, so I'm like, and then under eyes are dark. I put them here, just right in the middle, or this is not the middle, the inner corner and then the outer corner. Okay, so after blending out, I grab this sponge, which is actually a powder sponge, and I grab Laura Mercier powder, which I'm running out of. I really should buy a new one, but it's whatever. And I just grab that on there, and I go under my eyes. Let that kind of sit, and I go in with like a fluffy brush. I don't use any special brushes. I just use, like, I'm pretty sure these are just e.l.f. brushes I bought from Target. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is the Sunkissed Bronzer PF10568, if you're wondering. And I just like love the brush up, tap this part of the lid, I don't know, and I just bronze my face up. I bought a new blush yesterday. I have yet to find a blush that I love, so I bought this e.l.f. one. We're gonna try, maybe if I can get it out. This is the e.l.f. blush in Always Cheeky. 1D05SF. And I wipe off the powder in my eyes with my blush brush before I put blush on. And then I'm gonna go right on in with this. I start really high on my cheeks. Does this even have any color to it? But I start like kind of in the highlight area where you would highlight, and then I go down to the apples of my cheeks. I don't know why. I think I probably saw it on a TikTok or something, and that's just what I've been doing for never now. This is not the best blush ever. It's not that great color for me, I don't think. You see, I feel like the lighting's so bad. I don't even know why. Like, is that better? Worse? I don't know. I just kicked the camera. This is not good. Whatever. Okay. Then I highlight with this Ofra highlight. I don't know. It's the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moon Dance. I got it in an Ipsy bag literally forever ago. But I use this just little brush. I don't know, it's like a flat brush. And I go on my inner corners. Like so. I love putting it on my inner corner, so I kind of go heavy with it. And then my nose, the tip of my nose. The bridge of my nose to where it looks crazy, but then I wipe it off kind of. Just like that. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I just like fill in the sparse spots. I love you. Bye. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I did my eyebrows. They look kind of so weird before I finish the rest of my makeup, but I just pretty much fill the sparse spots in and just make them look more like eyebrows, and then I brush them upwards with eyebrow gel. And yeah, pretty simple. We're gonna get into mascara. That's pretty much the next step, and then I'm done. Oakley's not having it right now. So I use this eyelash curler I've had for friggin' ever. And I just curl my eyelashes. My makeup hasn't changed much. I kind of do my face a little bit different than I used to. And my eyebrows, I low-key do a little. I used to do my eyebrows just like more, I think. And now I do them a little less. Hi, baby. You wanna get on Mama's lap? Come on. Come here. Using a different mascara than I used to. I've been using, where is it? I've been using the Maybelline Sky High Last Sensational mascara, and it's low-key so good. So I just put that on my eyelashes. And then I put a little bit of chapstick on. Hold on, let me get the one I friggin' love. It's actually attached to my keys, but let me zoom it all back out. It's attached to my keys, but it's, I don't know, I got it from Ulta. It's so good. Freaking love it. It's, hold on. It's goat milk, vanilla bean, natural lip balm. So good. So I put that on, and then I put some Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner on. This is just the regular one. I'm gonna sharpen it though. And then I just put that on. I spray my face with setting spray. Boom. Ta-da! I just brush out my curls. Like I literally just brush them with a brush from bottom up. And they come out as the perfect like wave. It's not like super curly, but this is just how I like it. And I also like when I curl it, I kind of straighten the bottoms out a little bit with the end of the curler. Like I don't flip them, if that makes sense. But yeah, hairspray again. I go like this, hairspray it, mess with it. To add just like a little volume to the crown of my head. And bam, that's the freaking look. Let me take you off the tripod so I can show you in better lighting. Ta-da! This is the final look. So basically just like waves, not super tight, just loose waves with just my everyday makeup, which I'd say is just, I wouldn't say it's super natural. I'm not gonna call this like a natural makeup because I know I could get argued with in the comments about that, but I wouldn't call this full glam at all. I didn't use that many products, and I don't know. Yeah, this is the full look though. I'll set you back up so I can show you it all in like the frame. I don't know, I'm a mess. Final freaking look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty much just a get ready with me for no occasion. Everyday life, get ready with me. So, yes. I literally do this pretty much every day. This is like my everyday makeup, and then I do this hair like every day. If it's not already wavy from like second day curls, I'll touch it up, but this is like pretty much the look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out Vanity Planet's Essia Ultrasonic Exfoliating Skin Spatula. It's so awesome. I'm like obsessed with it. I really like the exfoliating feature on it. It's my fave. But yeah, this is the full look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you're new here, subscribe, join the squad. Does it even say squad? I don't know. Yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a freaking fabulous day. I love you. Goodbye.